Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to start question number 2, exercise 1.2. The question is write down any two pair of integers whose sum is given. Read the question first. You have to write two pairs of integers. The sum whose sum is 20. So you can write any number. This is 5 and 15. The sum will be 20, and you can write 7 and 13. This is very simple. Now the next question is the sum should be minus 20. When you have the negative sign, what you will do, you will put minus sign in both the numbers, and their sum should be 20. Minus 5 minus 15, and the next you can write as minus 7 and minus 13. Means वही इंटीजर जिनका कि सम आपका 20 हो विद नेगेटिव साइन, minus 5 and minus 15, minus 7 and minus 13. The next is whose sum is 0. So the sum is 0. So this is you can write one negative positive, one other negative. You can one means the opposite of these both, means 5 and minus 5, and the another example can be minus 7 and 7. So this question number second is very simple because you have to write the integers whose sum is given. Now in this question number third, you have to write down any two pair of integers whose difference is minus 15. Here you have to write the digits, write the numbers whose difference is minus 15, means difference as well as minus 15 in negative. The difference should be negative. So I am writing the equation as x minus y equals to minus 15, or you can write it as y equals to x plus 15, means the value of y should be greater than x by 15. y की वैल्यू x से बड़ी होगी, 15 ज़्यादा होगी, 15 ज़्यादा होगी. मीन्स आप x की जो भी वैल्यू चूज़ करोगे उसमें आप 15 प्लस कर लेंगे. So I have taken x as minus 20. So what should be the value of y here? Minus 20 plus 15, that becomes minus 5. So the value of y here is minus 5. You can check it. Minus 20 minus 5. You will get minus 15. Another example can be minus 25 minus 10. When you subtract minus 10 from minus 25, you get minus 15. The next is you have to need the difference of 30. So this is a simple question. 40 minus 10 becomes 30, and 50 minus 20 becomes 30. So this is a simple question. The difference should be 0, means the same number 5 and 5. 5 minus 5 becomes 0. 10 minus 10 becomes 0. Now the question number fourth is write a pair of negative integers whose difference is 10. जिसका difference 10 हो, एंड आपको यहाँ पे निगेटिव इंटीजर्स लिखने हैं, मीन्स दोनों नंबर्स आपके निगेटिव होने चाहिए. तो आई हैव रिटन x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 10. फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन राइट x माइनस 10 इक्वल्स टू y, मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ y हेयर शुड बी स्मॉलर देन x बाई 10. y की वैल्यू x से स्मॉल होगी, कितनी स्मॉल होगी? 10 स्मॉल होगी. सो आई हैव टेकन x एज माइनस 10. देन व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ y? माइनस 10 minus 10 becomes minus 20, means minus 20 should be the value of y, means minus 10 and minus 20. Here both the numbers are negative and their difference is 10. You can check it. Minus 10 minus minus 20, so that will be minus 10 plus 20, and the difference will come 10. Now look at the next. Write a pair of negative and positive integers whose sum is 6. Here one number should be negative and other should be positive, and their sum should be 6. So I have taken x as 2. So this should be minus, so minus 2. So what should be the value of y here? Y should be, you can clearly know कि y minus 2 में हम 8 plus करेंगे, that will be 6. So I have y will be 8. So the pair of integers will be minus 2 and 8. Minus 2 plus 8 becomes 6. Now the next is write a pair of negative integers whose difference is minus 4. Here आपको क्या चाहिए? Difference minus 4 चाहिए, और x की और y की मीन्स दोनों ही नंबर्स आपको कैसे लिखने हैं? निगेटिव लिखने हैं. निगेटिव इंटीजर you have to write. This is same as question number third. This is from here you can write x की वैल्यू जो है x plus 4 equals to y, मीन्स y की वैल्यू x से यहाँ पे बिग होगी. कितनी बिग होगी? 4 बिग होगी. सो I have taken x equals to minus 10. So minus 10 plus 4 becomes minus 6. So the value of y here comes to be minus 6. Now you can check it here also. Minus 10 minus minus 6. becomes -4. So you can check it in the rough also to whether your answer is correct or not. So that is all for today class, and in homework you have to do the question number 7th and 8th. Thank you.